Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dolly and I make fashion, lifestyle, fitness related content on my channel. I'm super excited for today's video. It's not a regular clothing haul, it is a bags haul. Now recently I've got my hands on some really amazing handbags from Amazon and they were at a discounted price. They're of very good quality, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the first bag that I want to show you is from this very popular brand Miraggio. It is all the rage for all the right reasons right now. They have such a great collection of handbags and the one that I got is just perfect. So this is the bag. It is classy, it is neutral, versatile, not at all boring. I love the simplicity of this bag. The beige light cream color goes with so many outfits. Of course, it is vegan leather. It is not real leather, guys. The strap is not adjustable, but the size is perfect for carrying it on your shoulders or if you want to carry it around your arms. I'll just show it to you. Let's talk about the space. It has a really good space. As you can see, it has ample space for all your essentials. I feel like this is a good option for formal occasions or formal settings. This bag is neutral and it has this structure, the feel to it. It has a very bougie feel and that way it stands out as a good option for formal occasions. I'm going to use this a lot because it is a very high quality bag. It looks very sophisticated and stylish. It'll go well with a lot of my outfits, so a good pick, a good investment, I would say. Of course, this was at a discounted price. There was a 57% discount on this bag and I got it for rupees 14.97. Let me know what you guys think. I feel this is a very versatile bag. I'll have the link in the description so you can check it out as well. Now there are other colors available, but I went for this beautiful beige color. It was somehow calling out to me. I don't know why. So yeah, you can pick from the other colors available as well. Moving on to the next bag. It is from a very popular brand, Chumbak. Chumbak has amazing accessories, lifestyle related items and fashion related collections, and they never fail to surprise me with their unique style and designs. And of course, when it comes to quality, I trust it 100%. Let me just show you what I got. And this is the bag I'm talking about. Isn't it gorgeous? The beautiful vibrant summery print that it has goes so well with the brown and the gold hardware. So this is how the bag looks. I just love the print. There are other options available as well with different prints, floral as well as geometric prints. But I went for this print. This print just caught my eye because of the color play. The green and the yellow and the pink and everything about this bag is just gorgeous. I feel like this bag is going to go well with my Indian outfits, kurtis and saris, and it's going to elevate the look of my neutral outfits as well. It has a character in itself. I feel it's a very good option for Indian wear. What do you guys think? The strap, however, is adjustable. Here you can see there are options. There are holes and this knob, so you can adjust the strap to your liking, but I like it this way. The logo is very minimal and up to my liking. I don't like bold logos in bags and stuff. Talking about the space, it has a good, decent space. So you can see you can carry all of your essentials inside your phone, wallet. I feel I can carry a lot of things here. So there's a zipper pouch as well for smaller items. This bag was again at a discounted price. There was a 57% discount on this bag and I got it for rupees 986. Okay guys, moving on to the next bag. It is a crossbody or a sling bag. You can say it is from this brand Daily Objects. It is again a very popular brand. Daily Objects has a wide range of bags, from laptop bags to totes to wallets, satchels, sling bags. So I went for a sling bag this time. So let me just show you. So this is the sling bag, or you can say a crossbody bag. Shape of this bag is very unique, and also it looks very minimal. So the color is perfect for a casual day out or to carry your travel essentials. I feel like this is a good option. It has a zipper that goes all the way, and this bag opens pretty wide. It has a very seamless zipper. As you can see, it's very functional, I feel. The space is pretty generous. You can keep a lot of things, a lot of your travel essentials here. And there's a smaller pouch as well. So I feel a lot of things can fit into this, and that makes it perfect for traveling. I feel like it is a very functional option, a very practical option for traveling or casual outings. So yeah, this is how the bag looks. It comes with an adjustable strap. As you can see, you can carry it as a crossbody bag or as a sling bag. The color reminds me of the fall autumn season. This bag is going to go well with a lot of my outfits: jeans, t-shirts, casual skirts. So this is how the bag looks. I am absolutely happy with this bag as well. It is structured and the feel of it is quite sturdy, but not to a point that will hurt your hands. It is nice and squishy. So I like that about this bag. This bag was at a discounted price. It was at a 50% discount, and I got it for rupees 12.49. Moving on to the next and the last bag of this haul, and it is something that is so close to my heart. I've been wanting to buy this bag for the longest time. It has been lying in my wish list for a very long time, but then I saw a discount in this bag and I had to get it. It is from this brand Accessorize London, and Accessorize London is a very popular brand. It has an exquisite collection of handbags, bags and accessories. This is the bag that I'm talking about. I wanted to buy this bag for the longest time, so this is here and I'm super happy. I just love the color play of this bag. The print and the colors are just doing justice for me. It is so high quality. It just screams high fashion to me. The gold hardback goes so well with the brown and the black and the overall print. So I'm super happy with this bag. Again, it is very, very spacious. I'm happy with the space as well. Let me just show you. So there's ample space for your essentials. There is a zipper pouch as well. So this bag is quite versatile. You can carry it for your holidays, or you can carry it casually or any formal occasions. This bag is just perfect that way. The straps again is adjustable, but I like the placement of the buckle here. Like I said, I got this at a discounted price. So there was a 57% discount in this bag, and I got it for rupees 14.79. And I know for sure I'm gonna make so much use out of this bag. I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite from these bags? Alright, that's all for today's video. If you like any of these items, all the links will be in the description. You can check that out. If you have any suggestions or any videos that you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.